Hello friend, today we are going to talk about how do we see SQL generated by BI reports, especially when your BI report is in cloud. For example, if we are running a BI report in Oracle Sales Cloud. Since Oracle Sales Cloud is a cloud product, you will not have access to database server. So you will neither have access to database, you will neither have access to BI servers. And you will have limited admin functionality given to you. Now the question is, can we see SQL generated by a report in Oracle Sales Cloud? The answer to this is yes, you can definitely do that. Now this is one example which I am going to show to demonstrate how do we see SQL generated by BI. So this is a simple report which is a funnel size, nice fancy funnel size graph for an opportunity created by different sales rep over a period and with different sales stage. Now this report provide you a different view against different sales stage for the opportunity created. Now what we want to see is a SQL which gets generated in the background and which runs against the database to see what kind of SQL is going against the database when this particular report runs. To do this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Advanced, and from Advanced I'll scroll down and go to Issued SQL, which is a logical SQL which gets generated as part of this report. I'll copy this SQL and then I'm going to utilize this SQL. To do this, I'll go to admin screen, and on this admin screen I will have an access to some limited admin functionality, but that's enough for me for now. I can go to issue SQL link, and within that issue SQL link I can paste the SQL which I have copied from there, and once I have pasted this, I can go and change the default log label to 2, which is BI server log label, and then I can click on issue SQL statement, which will give me the SQL which gets generated. Now you can see this provide me a tabular view of the data which gets generated as part of this SQL. It also provide me a link to see the view log. If I click on this view log, it will take me to the SQL generated by physical SQL generated by the report. As you can see, I do have access to physical SQL which is going to the database now, and this is the one which I'm going to highlight is the part of SQL which is going against the database. That's how pretty much you see the SQL which goes against the database, even for a report which is running in Oracle Sales Cloud. Now this helps you in multiple ways. You can get a view of what SQL is going to. You'll also get to know that what particular table is being used to give you output of the data, and it helps you to in multiple aspects, which will talk more detail in my later discussion. But for now, this is how you go and see SQL generated by BI report in Oracle Sales Cloud. Thanks for watching my video.